Hello, good morning. My name is Camila Cortez, and today I will present my learning result lesson for the teaching of English for a specific purpose, special for SNR B, Industry and Manufacturing. The leader of my result is Industrial Safari English Chain Learn Workplace Safari with iSoup. This result was created with the purpose of extending the learning of theatrical vocabulary related to industrial safari in manufacturing context, allowing students to develop English skills applicable to real workplace situations. This result was developed based on the need for students working in the industrial field to understand safari instruction, warning signs, and technical vocabulary in English, since many companies currently use industrial terminology in this language. Within this approach, it is essential that English learning is connected to the specific needs of the professional context. For the reason the material was designed for students in the manufacturing and industrial area will need to strengthen specific communication competence to perform appropriately in technical and international work environment. For the development of this result, I use the platform Word because it allows the creation of interactive, dynamic, and gamified activities that make learning more motivating and meaningful. The activities included technical demo recognition, concept association, and contextual understanding of industrial safari instruction in English. In addition, the platform is accessible, easy to use, and allows students to practice autonomously and interactively. Evidence this result integrate artificial intelligence through the use of ChatGPT as a pedagogical support tool. Artificial intelligence was used to generate contextualized vocabulary, create instructions related to industrial environment, and design examples adapted to work safari situations. It also helps generate feedback and more dynamic activities focused on real-life industrial contexts. Thanks to the use of artificial intelligence, learning becomes more meaningful, personalized, and interactive, promote the development of a specific technical English competence. Additionally, it helps optimize the time required to create educational material and facilitate the adaptation of context according to student needs. New. I will present the activity designed in Word. The first activity focuses on recognition of technical vocabulary related to industrial safari. Students must identify words and concepts frequently used in manufacturing environments, such as warning signs, personal protective equipment, and safari regulations. The second activity works on concept association, allowing students to relate technical term to the meaning or function with the industrial context. Finalmente, third activity focus on the contextual understanding of intrusion in English, strengthening students' ability to improve important measures in workplace environment. These activities were designed following the principle of material design methodology and evaluation proportion. For more the activities, prominent skills such as reading comprehension, technical vocabulary, and acquisition, instruction, interpretation, and autonomous learning. I believe these results of their multiple benefits for English learning for a specific purpose. First, increase student motivation through interactive and gamified activity. Second, I allow students to connect English with real industry and workplace situations. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence supports personalized learning and the creation of more contextualized educational context. However, it is also important to consider some challenges such as internet access, connectivity limitations, and the ethical use of artificial intelligence tools in education. In conclusion, this result demonstrated how artificial intelligence can be effectively integrated in teaching of English for a specific purpose in the area of industry and manufacturing. Finally, this experience allowed me to understand the importance of basic contextualized, innovative, and student-centered education material focused on specific learning needs. Thank you very much.